This is perhaps the largest fifth grade class we've had in this school, probably since a very long time. And they have been absolute consummate musicians, and you'll hear that tonight. They got these horns about 3 months ago. They've been doing an extremely great job. So we're going to play 3 pieces for you this evening, and we'll start out with that old classic, Lightly Row.
Yeah!
We have 5 different sections in the band. The flutes, the clarinets, the trumpets, the trombones, and as we call them sometimes, the persecution. This next song is a holiday classic, Good King Wenceslas, also known as, Good King Wenceslas, as we call it sometimes. And this will feature each section of the band so you can hear them each performing on their instruments, and we'll start with the flutes, Good King Wenceslas. Excellent job. Finally, we are going to end tonight with the other classic, Jolly Old St. Nicholas. And you'll hear 2 lines happening. First, the flutes and the clarinets are going to have the melody for the first time through, and then the brass and the percussion will have the melody the second time through. Thank you very much.